Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. How are you? Hopefully you are all doing great and excellent. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well and doing great by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And today is the day 15 of my English practice video making journey. And Alhamdulillah, I am doing very well and excellent. Step by step and day by day I am improving in my English speaking. So I hope you are all doing great and excellent day by day and step by step. So today I am going to talk about of importance of time, right? So my today's topic is importance of time. Brother, time is just not a time. The time means it's life. In our life, time is very important thing, right? So we should to use it properly. Otherwise, if we waste our time, that means we are wasting our life, right? So how we can use our time properly with something good, right? So for using time properly, we can do one thing. The thing is make a routine. Every day morning, I make a routine in my brain. How I will spend my today, how many things I will do my today. So you can also make a routine every day in your mind, and then you will spend your time following your routine. That routine you are already create in your mind. So let me tell you every day how I make a routine. First of all, after wake up, I think just how many things I have to do today, right? That means I have to make a English practice video. I have to watch English podcast. I have to watch English practice video. I have to watch our previous classes videos. So my routine already created, right, every day. So I follow just this routine and try to do something, try to do all the thing that I already note down in my mind. So this is the way of using your time properly with good thing, right? Otherwise you cannot use it properly. And I already say that if you waste your time, that means you are wasting your life. Our Prophet ﷺ says, take benefits from 5 things or 6 things before 5 or 6 things. And one of the most important things in this hadith is that take benefits from your time before you're old, right? Take benefits from your health before your sickness. So can you imagine how much important time in our life? Once time is gone from your life, the time is never come back. So please brother, I request to you, use your time properly, and using time properly, that will make you success, make you happy, make you stronger, and make different than the other from the other. So do not waste your time, I request to you. And thank you so much for watching this video and listening to me. And may Allah bless all of us with a good routine every day for spending our time, our life. And may Allah give all of us the ability of doing something great and excellent every day, inshallah. And I do not want to make it more longer. So take care yourself and do something good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.